What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be doing some spicy Italian sausage subs. We got some really good ingredients in this recipe, a lot of good stuff. And don't forget, we're giving a griddle away. 3,000 subscribers. We're at about 2,500 right now. So yeah, let's check out these ingredients and get it going. So right here we got 4 spicy Italian sausages. This is the stuff we're going to use for the sauce. We got some tomato paste, diced tomatoes, crushed red pepper, Italian seasoning. We got veggies here. We got some green pepper, red pepper, and 1 onion. And then the rolls. So let's get it going. Oh, we're gonna be using a little vegetable oil in it as well. So let's go. So we got the griddle at about 375 over here. I got these 2 burners on medium. These 2 are off. Gonna just put a little peanut oil down. And yeah, let's spread that around. Now we're gonna just start off with the sausages because those are gonna take a little bit to cook. I wanna just get them going first. All right. Now I kind of took them out of the package and I tried to bend them so they're more straight because it's just easier to cook that way. So boom, just gonna put them down. Because I'm gonna be cutting these into pieces and putting them in the dish, as you saw in the intro. So yeah, let's just let these things go for a little bit. And yeah, we'll see how we're looking in about 10 minutes. So the sausages are cooking up really good. I'm gonna get going on the veggies now over here. Now the veggies, the sausages, when I kind of bent them to try and get them straight, kind of messed up the casing, so it's kind of oozing out of the sides a little bit, but that ain't gonna hurt nothing. All right, here's the veggies. Boom. Get this stuff going, get it turned up. Now we got these cut in nice strips. We can kind of get them put, all over the sandwich and whatnot. All right, just get that oil over them. Smell that. Man. All right, let's throw a little salt and pepper on the veggies. All right, done with that. Twist them up again. Ooh, yes. All right. Now, let's give these sausages a turn. See how these are looking. All right, these sausages are at about 162, so these are done. So what I'm gonna do is take these off, put them on a plate, get over here. All right, now I'm gonna have to cut these up. I got these 2 burners off now, so I'm just gonna put these aside for just a hot second. I'm gonna check on these veggies. And those sausages were on there for probably about 13 minutes or so. I had it a little low, the temperature, so could have cooked them up faster, but they cooked really well, really good color all the way around. These veggies are getting a little caramelization on them. All right, let's just leave these be. Right here, I got these 2 burners all the way low right now. So yeah, now what I'm gonna do is just cut these sausages into slices, and yeah, that's all we got to do. So we forgot to put it in the clip of the ingredients, but we're gonna throw some minced garlic in there. Forgot about that. A little bit. A little bit of that. And then we need 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. There we go. Get in there. There we go. Get that in there. Then we're gonna add some of this. This is just some Italian seasoning. We're gonna throw that's about a teaspoon. So we're good on that. We're gonna throw about a teaspoon of crushed red pepper in here. All right, this whole can, or you know what? Yeah, this whole can of diced tomatoes. This is fire roasted diced tomatoes. Boom. And then, you know what? Let's mix this stuff up first. Oh, baby, smell that. That is amazing. Ooh, now, we got that kind of mixed together. Get in there. Now, let's add the sausage. Ooh, man, that looks good. It's gonna kind of thicken up a little bit with once it heats up a little bit, cooks together, it'll thicken up a little. Ooh, man, this smells so good. Man, I'm telling you guys, this is just smelling so good. I got my bun right here, kind of toasting that up a little bit. I didn't put anything on it. I just used the oil that was left on the griddle. Oh, man. Let's just pile this stuff on here. What do you think? Oof. Gonna need some more meat, though. Ooh, baby, get in there. Pile that meat up in. Ooh, ooh, man. All right, come and check it out. Man, I am ready to dive in on this. Oh, baby, look at that. Thing's got some weight to it. I want to get under it. Here we go. Ooh, don't want to waste that onion. Ooh, that sauce is good. Mmm. That is delicious. That sausage. Nice little kick on it. You know I like my stuff spicy. I mean, that was, you know, it's okay, but not too spicy. That's why we throw the red pepper in there. Man, that is very tasty. Nice little crunch on those veggies. Not too much, not too little. Should have put a little garlic salt on that bun though. Ooh, man, that is good. Oh, losing it. That's all I got, guys. Appreciate you coming along. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up for me if you like the video, if you like the recipe. Let me know if you try the recipe. And don't forget, we're giving away a griddle at 3,000 subscribers. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.